Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time. I'm so sorry, life is so busy, but I wanted to give you an updated hair routine because it's changed quite a lot since my really popular videos. It's been a year. I've had my son, he turns 1 in 2 weeks, so it's been a minute, so I thought it was about time to update you guys. So I did start filming a routine a couple of months ago, but I had my hair dyed and it was severely damaged afterwards, so I'm going to do a video about that separate and how I've repaired the damage. But I have just woken up and this is how I sleep with my hair. So I first want to show this. So I sleep with my hair like this. It's really hot at the moment, so I did just shove it up, and I knew I was going to wash it today, so normally I'm a little bit more protective. So I use like a hair bath like this. I just got these from Amazon and just pull this up. I'll normally turn my head up the other way, and that will keep the shorter sections of my hair up and away from my face, and then I pineapple it on top. So I'll either pull it through like this, or I'll just literally have it in one single pony. Or I ordered this from Wish. It cost me £2. It's a very cheap, very cheaply made satin bonnet, but it has been working. It just stops that friction, and I don't have to have my hair in a pineapple. I can just flip my hair upside down and pop this in, and it stays on really well. It doesn't come off my head. So I'll normally, if I've slept in a pineapple, just let my hair come down and just leave it for a little bit to sort of settle and see how it is. So this is about day 5 hair, and as I said, it's really hot, so I'm just shoving my hair up, so a lot of the curl's gone. So I had it cut 2 weeks ago, another curly cut, and you can see I've got lots of layers in. My hair is considerably longer than it was before. So on average, I'm washing my hair every 5 to 7 days, depending on what I've been doing. And sometimes I just co-wash with my conditioner. Others, I'd say most of the time, I use a shampoo. So the ones I've been using is still my Only Curls one. Because I only wash my hair, I pretty much use a low poo once a week. So a bottle this size lasts forever. And then the Noughty Rise and Shine shampoo. That one's nice. I've had this since Christmas and there's absolutely loads left. Again, and there's no real difference in why I use one. I find this one a little bit more cleansing and this one a bit more moisturising, but I'll just pop it onto my roots in the shower, and then I've got a scalp massager brush, and I'll just go through each section of my hair to make sure that my scalp gets a good old massage, and that's going to stop any build-up of skin. It's going to help hair growth as well. I will then use a conditioner, and I'm not really stuck to one. Again, I've just finished my Only Curls one. I do like that one. I've been using the Superdrugs extract, but I find I have to use a lot more of the Superdrug conditioner, to get enough slip to detangle my hair. My hair is very knotty, especially since I've had it dyed. So the Only Curls is a little bit thicker. I feel like I don't have to use as much to get my comb through. And yeah, I have been alternating between 2 techniques. So the bowl method, I will talk about this in my hair recovery video, really helped my hair recover and get the hydration back into my hair. It gives you really big clumps, so you've got sort of less curls but more defined ones. So I really like that method. But you know, this is day 5 and I've still got some volume in there. This is just, I discovered this by accident. I really wanted to wash my hair and just rushed, and it worked out really well. So what I've been using is the curl cream and the gel, and then I've been layering on another gel, which is the Umberto Giovanni curling jelly, and this is the Beach Boho one. Boho one. And I like this one because this one's a little bit more watery than the normal flavour, scent, whatever you want to call it. So it goes on really easily. After I've got out the shower, I will just squeeze the excess out of my hair just with my hands in the shower. I will then take some of the curl cream in my hands and I'll smooth it over my hair. I will then rake it through with my fingers not loads, but I have all my hair forward as well, and I just rake it through and then scrunch out the excess water. So my hair's really wet at this point, and just scrunch it out. So it's really diluting the product so it's not too heavy for my fine wavy hair. I then take a mocha towel, and I've got the only curls one. I really like this one, it's really big and you can make it into a turban really easily. And I just scrunch each section of my hair for about 3 seconds to get any excess water out. I then take the Only Curls gel and I apply this in sections, so I smooth it over my hair and just rake it through a little bit before scrunching it back in. This technique gives me kind of more volume. I don't put any product at my root really, I leave it because my roots are very flat and straight. I then wrap my hair in a turban and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes while I faff around, basically moisturise my body, get changed, that sort of thing. And then I apply another layer of gel, so it's a different gel. So if you look at Honestly Liz here, I think it is Honestly Liz here on Instagram, she talks about the 1, 2, 3 gel method. I sort of adapted this for me with the curl cream, the cream gel and then the normal gel, and it's been working really well. So I scrunch that in, I don't put loads in, I kind of smooth it over the top, I don't rake it through. I then just scrunch in just very gently. I've now started diffusing my roots, so before I didn't really diffuse my hair at all. So I diffuse my roots, it helps my hair grow, it helps my hair dry quicker, but it gives me the root lift that I need. So I'll diffuse my hair in 30-second bursts. So 30 seconds, I alternate between a medium heat and a cool heat, so about 10 seconds of each. When I feel my head get hot, that's when I turn it to cool, because then I know that my hair will be getting warm. So this takes me about 5 minutes. I'm really lazy, so it suits me as well. After this, I then go in and clip my roots, and I'll let the rest air dry. So in the summer it's drying really quickly, which is great, so it really suits me. And then I scrunch everything out. So I've been using a little bit of oil on my hands, so it doesn't really penetrate the hair too much, but it protects my hair from the dryness of my skin. So I won't put the oil on whilst I do my roots. I'll either use my big wide tooth comb to loosen up my roots, and then I apply 1 to 2 drops of the Righteous Roots oil and scrunch out the crunch. And then that's it. I get my best hair day on day 2, where I can sleep in a pineapple and create more volume. That works really well for me. And that is my updated hair routine. For my job, I do have to wear my hair up a lot, so that does indicate my curl pattern. I think I'd have a lot more curls if I didn't have to wear my hair up so much, but I teach pole and aerial and Pilates, so I can't be having my hair everywhere. But that is my updated hair routine. It's really simple, it's really quick, it's really easy. I have concentrated a lot less on how much curl I get and more the condition of my hair, especially in the mending of the health. And I said that video is coming soon because it is much better than it was. And I'll insert some pictures of the before and after, so you can stay tuned for that video. Any question, pop some comments below, and any videos that you'd like, hair related or not hair related, I will do them for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.